There are some huge misses here, but proper MagSafe compatibility is needed, so a ring of magnets in the usual configuration, enabling more confident attachment of Qi chargers and accessories. The cursor control hack I demoed is really ugly. What's needed is for the keys to be capacitive, as on the likes of the old BlackBerry Key 2, so that one can swipe around to position the flashing cursor without having to reach up and try and tap the right spot. This would also help in apps like Calendar, where navigation around a grid is needed. I'd like to see slightly larger keys with less space in between them. There's little need to worry about fingers confusing keys by feel, because iOS auto-corrects things as you go, just as it would with a software keyboard. I'd like to see one key shortcuts to common camera functions. Spacebar to capture is an obvious one, but I can think of many more that would be handy.